it's a big achievement. Then to play in front of 26,000 plus crowd was a bigger achievement, I would say. The kind of platform that women's cricket is getting right now is really good, and it's getting very competitive. So to stay higher up there, we need to work really hard. And when we went there, we were actually aiming for a semi-final spot, and to get into the finals, beating a team like Australia was a really good work done by us.
Are you looking at positive developments for women's cricket from here on? The kind of
Yes, I think we have set the platform for women's cricket in India. Now that we have made it to the finals, competing against such great sides, I'm sure a lot of young girls will take up cricket as a profession. It was a heartbreaking loss. I mean, when we go there as a player, you want to win games for India, but then yeah, it's just a game. Some days will not be yours. So we are trying to learn with every game. I mean, I'm trying to learn with every game that I play. And next time, hopefully, if the same situation is there, I'll get my team. Very long tournament. It was 7 league games added to it, a semi-final and final. So you had to be fit throughout the tournament, which was a very big achievement in terms of playing such a big tournament. So it was good. It was a learning experience, I would say, because I have not played such huge tournament before. The only way we can go forward is to do better, to get better.
महिलांचे IPL सुद्धा पुढे सुरू जावंक शकता अशें गोवा क्रिकेट असोसिएशनचो CEO प्रशांत काकोडे म्हणटा.
Look at the women's cricket earlier. If you ask me, there were hardly any people following women's cricket. But this World Cup has changed the entire thing. Now even a housewife, like, she knows the names of the Indian players. So and it has totally changed now. And in years to come, you will see like there will be IPL for women's cricket also.
स्टुडंटा खातीर दिशांत परब.